It's time for some midlife glam. I'm Angela Lee Pickard, 51 years old, and here are my secrets to looking your best at any age. I'm 51 and welcome to my morning skincare routine. Today I'll be sharing with you how La Roche-Posay Cicaplast saved my skin. Stay tuned. Okie dokie. So I have cleansed my skin with this Nivea Derma Skin Clear. Some days I still get spots. Yes, ladies, I still get perimenopausal acne or pimples now and then. And this is a really good product to help clear the skin and all the grime and the dirt, right? And I've also gave my skin a gentle scrub with this Korean brand Cure, and it's like a peeling scrub, really gentle, really great. All the dead skin will be lifted and be gone, right? Excellent stuff, and it's so gentle, no harshness, no redness. Okay, so after washing and cleansing and scrubbing my face, I am now ready for the next steps. And what do I do next is that for days when I have some spots or pimples, I like to use this La Roche-Posay Alpha Clear, and it's really, really good. I find it, I don't know, perimenopausal has kind of like changed my skin, and I cannot use vitamin C or retinols anymore, and I like to put, if I do use that, I get very red and itchy dry skin. But this particular one, it doesn't cause any redness, and it does say anti-imperfections, anti-marks, and anti-wrinkles. You can read here. Really good stuff. And I recently found out about this product when I was holidaying in Australia. So this is how I curb the acne, right? And the next step, I can't live without this one, La Roche-Posay Hyaluronic B5 serum, full of hyaluronic acid, and I absolutely love this. I've been using it maybe for about a couple of years, and I just put a few dabbles there and just like to rub it all over my face, and my neck, and it really plumps up the skin. There are 3 things that I wish I knew earlier on, is that hydration is very, very important for skin, for your skin to glow and for your products to work effectively, right? And condition where I'm very sensitive to many skin products, I like to use Cicaplast as the moisturizer. It has really, really helped my skin with dehydration, and for the daytime, I like to use the Cicaplast with the SPF 50, and then the night will be just a regular one. And I love to be generous with this item. Big dollop. There we go. And I just rub it all over my skin. And the next thing that I've learned, so there are 3 things I wish I knew earlier. That's to use non-comedogenic skincare products, and because I have acne prone skin, if it's if it's not non-comedogenic, I will break out, it will clog my skin, and I believe La Roche-Posay is definitely non-comedogenic. So now we're getting into how Cicaplast actually saved my skin. So because I was using a lot of vitamin A and vitamin C products, it kind of ruined the barrier of my skin, and it got really hypersensitive. And by using Cicaplast, because it is a ultra repairing soothing balm, you can read here, it helped to heal the barrier of my skin. And since then, I never stopped using it, and I've been using Cicaplast for about 2 years also. Yeah, so that's the best product from the whole range, I believe, in my opinion. Yeah, but you know, this is not a sponsored video, but La Roche-Posay is definitely my go-to. And the last thing, you know, there are 3 things I wish I knew before, was that you don't have to spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars on skincare products. This is it. I'm using all the products I'm using are basically drugstore brands for my skincare, and they work like magic. And how I keep my skin youthful is actually through aesthetics. And I recently did a HIFU facial, HIFU, high intensity focused ultrasound facial in Singapore, and it plumps the skin. And I've not had any facelift. I've had some you know, injectables. Elance is my favorite, and it's just around here, and it has enhanced my my skin texture as well. So those are the only 2 things I do. So HIFU is a yearly maintenance facial that I do. And okay, I also do Botox on my number 11s, just here, very little bit for the frown lines. And Elance is like a little top up every few years, because it lasts about 2 to 3 years, right? Each injectable of Elance lasts up to about 2 to 3 years. So that's great. So, okay, so I like to look pretty even if I'm at home. So because of my really, really dark circles, I will also use this product by Givenchy, I believe. No, this one is Yves Saint Laurent. Yeah, it's just a corrector, you know, and I just put a little bit here. Nothing much, nothing fancy. I am an expat wife, so I'm currently living in Saudi Arabia, Riyadh, and yeah, I'm mostly at home and doing all the housework and my small businesses from the house too, and also my content creation, right? So that's that. And I also I'll use this Eucerin spot corrector. So this has some medication for the spots, and it covers it as well. So those are the correctors that I use. And if you want like a little rosy hue, I like to use the balm by Chanel. This one is, I believe it's what is it called? Okay, it's number 5, Lively Rosewood. How about you in mature age? So I like to just use a little bit. How do you, you know, even when you're a housewife, do you still like to look pretty and, you know, put effort into your morning skincare routine? I believe that, you know what, if I look and feel good, personally, my day, it just feels extra special. Ooh, yeah. So this will eventually absorb into the skin, right? This cheek, lip and cheek balm. Just do a bit on my nose and a little bit, yeah. So it gives you more like a sun-kissed look, and it will eventually absorb into the skin, and it won't look so red. But if you don't like it, you can always just, you know, if you don't like it too red, you can always just dabble some off, right? And yeah, so that's how I, you know, have a little bit of freshness into my skin and add a little pick me up, right? You can see how it has absorbed, right? Initially it was really red. And then, you know, let's use this lip balm by Guerlain. So this wand is so good. Yeah, and this balm my eyesight is like just getting worse and worse each and every year. Aging, I love, this is Honey Glow. I love where I am today as a mature woman in midlife. But I must tell you, the body just keeps evolving or changing, and upkeep with the changes can get a little bit frustrating. But nonetheless, I love my midlife glow up, and yeah, and this is how I maintain my skincare every morning. And how about you? What are the special things, or what are the special products that have given you that glow up and have saved your skin from perimenopausal or menopausal issues, right? So yeah, so I almost forgot this last step. So before I leave the dressing table to do all my stuff in and around the house, I like to use, this is my new buy from Xoxo, the body oil. I love using body oils. I've been using bio oil, but this Christmas season, or this season of holidays, I've been using the Xoxo body oil, and I love smelling good and feeling soft in the skin, feeling soft and supple. And let's complement it with my Xoxo fragrance from Dior too. I love it. I love this fragrance, my favorite from Dior, ultimate favorite from Dior. Okay, and let's finish it off with the hand mist, even though my hair is up. But you know, when I do let it down towards the, oh my gosh, my eyes are really giving it. I can barely see the nozzle. Okay, and that's the hair perfume, hand mist, and voila. All set and ready to go. Mama's ready to rock and roll. Till the next video. Bye-bye. Love and hugs from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia.